Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Square Online product catalog for faster updates. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, log into your Square Online account. Navigate to the dashboard from the main menu. Click on Items from the left-hand sidebar. Select Site Items to view your current product catalog. To add a new product, click the Add Item button located at the top right corner. Fill in the necessary product details, including the name, description, and price. Upload high-quality images of the product by clicking on the Image Upload section. Set inventory levels to track stock availability. If you need to edit an existing product, locate it in the list and click on its name. Make the necessary changes, such as adjusting the price or updating the description. To remove a product, select it from the list and click on the Delete option. To update multiple products at once, use the bulk editing feature. Select the items you want to edit by checking the boxes next to their names. Click on Edit to modify details for all selected items simultaneously. After updating, ensure all changes are saved. Preview your site to confirm that all updates are reflected correctly. Remember to check for any broken links or errors in your catalog. This process makes updating your Square Online product catalog quick and efficient. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.